Mechanical keyboards. You guessed it. I am obsessed. Hi, hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. If you search YouTube for mechanical keyboards, there is just millions and millions of videos you can watch. There are a lot of different aspects to the mechanical keyboard, going from keycaps, switches, the PCBs, the base, the outer frame, and all that kind of stuff. I started to get into it because of my An Pro 2. That was my first mechanical keyboard. I loved how it sounded when I typed. It made me feel like I was much smarter, or as if I was a very good writer. And then I started doing some research about mechanical keyboards and customizing keyboards. Then I started to purchase tools that were needed to customize these keyboards. I soon learned that there were silent linear switches that you can use that are not as clicky or thocky or loud as the regular switches. Now, the switches are what makes the sound when you press the keys, and they come in many different varieties, and depending on the brand and the color, they all sound a little bit different. For me, I have a couple of the ones I can show you examples of. Now, when it comes to keyboards and mechanical keyboards, there are two different types. There's the regular mechanical keyboard, and then there's the capacitive keyboard, which are a little bit more bubbly and more towards the silent side. If you have the mechanical keyboards that use switches, and the very generalized switch colors are blue, red, brown, or yellow. And if you have those, they tend to have sounds that are a little bit more clicky or thocky, as some YouTubers call them, when you click on the keys. So depending on what kind of keyboard you like and what you prefer, or even what sounds you prefer when you work or when you're just typing away on your keyboard, depending on whatever preference you have, you can customize, you can select which one you like and which sounds you like through whichever brand you like. And here in Korea, there's tons and tons of choices you can choose from. If you search on the green N, you know what site I'm talking about. You can find a long list of keyboards and different brands, switches, lubing tools, anything, all on that website. So if you're interested in changing your keyboard and you kind of want to work with that old school typewriter kind of feeling, then I suggest you go for a mechanical keyboard. Some of them even come with LEDs, and they are pretty, I must say. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Always with love. Bye. Oh, it makes me feel so smart.